Welcome to my kitchen. I'm Busy Dad, and today we are cooking fried rice. So we start off with a pot of hot oil. And what we're going to add to that is a few things. The first thing is some meat. Ground meat. We're just going to break it up into kind of a flat patty and put it down here. It's going over in one corner there. In this second section, some finely cubed tofu. And in the third, one egg. Now you certainly could do each of these separately and then remove them from the pot. Why are we doing them together? Because it's going to be a lot easier. The important thing is not to mix those all up yet. Let them each cook separately. We want that egg to be able to be broken up into little chunks. In fact, everything we cook, you'll see, is more or less going to be cubed into the same size. When our rice is done, this is going to give everything a very pleasing texture that's mixed together. So we'll cover that up, we'll stir it once or twice, and then we'll come back and add some more things. Okay, it is time for the next set of ingredients. And what we have is celery, finely chopped onion, and ginger. You could do this easily enough with garlic, but today I wanted ginger. So we're going to come in, and we're just going to take everything and kind of pile it over on one side of the pan. I want to make sure this ginger and the celery and the onion get to fry up a little bit themselves. I want the taste to get all up into the oil, so that oil is going to get mixed with the rice and flavor everything. So we'll cover that up and come back and add the rice. So we'll just open this up and check on it. Oh, it looks good. And you see this egg here I flipped a second ago? Has completely cooked through. So we'll break that up into little bits, roughly the same size as everything else. And then, once that's done, we'll give this another mix. And then we'll add the rice. And here it is. This is just leftover rice. It's been in the fridge 1 day, 2 days, gotten a little bit dry. This is a great thing to do with it. So we will put all this rice in here, let it start warming up, mix it up, and see what we get. So when this starts looking good, and you've broken up all the little chunks, and you can start hearing that it's starting to stick a tiny bit on the bottom, that is the perfect time for either salt or soy sauce, depending on which way you roll. If you soak this in soy sauce, it will turn brown, so be aware of that. If that's not something you want, add less. Mix it with salt. So we'll toss that up. Make sure it's just 100% done cooking. Break up any more rice chunks. And serve. And here it is, the finished product. And now, this is the best time of your day, or at least of your meal cooking experience. You get to taste what you've produced. It is quite tasty. All these flavors are going to just mix together. Now, of course, this isn't maybe the most exciting dish just by itself, even though it has protein, it has starch, it has salt, it has fat, and it has vegetables. So, for today's meal, we will be serving this with some 鱼香茄子 fried tofu. This is a wonderful meal, but the fried rice is good just by itself. If you liked this video, and I hope you did, click subscribe if you want to, click like, leave me a comment, share this with somebody else, and then join me next time And Dizzy Dad is cooking.